Seconds with Femi correct pidgin and is now they do and waiting with they look today. Now the big one will happen for South Africa between the Super Eagles of Nigeria and the Bafana Bafana of South Africa. 1-1. Now that game end. But the correct thing where we fit pick from that game. Now the 2 goals where Nigeria for score. Where linesman talk say na offside goal. You go remember say the governor of Delta State, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, I don't promise Super Eagles say each goal where they score $25,000. Nigeria now for don't get $75,000. Super Eagles they for hold up for hand. But the linesman talk say those 2 goals now offside goal na them be. And we and correct Obonga people don't carry eye look those things. If you watch this video to the end, you go see them where we don't critically we don't analyze and where show say this thing say na clear goal it be no be offside goal. So they join people where they call CAF this morning. Say 2019 African Cup of Nations, VAR must them. E go good, make VAR day. So all this kind nonsense, all these kind things where we say clear go, linesman go just raising flags, talk saying offside, we no go see that kind thing. Make we get African Cup of Nations where we say go be go. E go good, e go correct, make VAR day 2019 African Cup of Nations.